adding huge numbers. On your personal whiteboard, go ahead and pause the video right now, I'll wait. On your personal whiteboard, I want you to write 3,134, just like that. Right below it, I want you to write 2,493. Now we're going to look at that in a place value chart. So 3,134 is 3,100, 3 tens, and 4 ones. 2,493 is 2 thousands, 4 hundreds, 9 tens, and 3 ones. Now I want you to think way back, way back to when we were doing place value. We'd count to 10 and then we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you said bundle, because we're all in class and you're trying to be respectful, if you said bundle, you are correct. Today we're going to do some bundling before we move on. So we're going to add up just the ones in the place value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did we have to bundle? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 total ones here. In the tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Could we bundle? Yeah, I agree, we could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bundle. And we can move that over because 10 tens equal 1 100. So if we bundled and we moved those out of here. So we bundled 10 tens and we moved them over to 100. How many tens do we have left? 1, 2. Now we count our hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Do we have to bundle? No, because we didn't get 10. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. And now we count our thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Do we bundle? No, because we didn't get to 10. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So if we look at the equation, 3,134 plus 2,493, it equals 5 thousands, 6 hundreds, 2 tens, and 7 ones. $5,627. On your whiteboard, go ahead and clear it. Make a 10,000s place value chart. If that massively confused you, just wait, and I'll have one drawn in a moment. We draw a line across the top, and we have a ones place, and we have a tens place, a hundreds place, thousands place, and 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Does your chart look like this? Good. towards the top in the 10,000s. You're going to have a 4. Now look, does yours take up the same amount of room as mine? All right. And below that, a 3. You're going to have, in the thousands, 2 zeros. So it looks like 40 and 30. In the hundreds, you'll have a 7 and a 4. In the tens, you'll have a 6 and a 7. And a 2 and a 3. So yours look like mine. If not, pause the video, make yours look like mine. We are going to add these two together. So go ahead and draw a line across the bottom. Starting at the ones. Why? Because you have to. Whatever we do, you're starting in the ones. Ones place, ones place, ones place. Always. When you're adding, subtracting, we're going to be starting in the ones. When you multiply, you start in the ones. The ones is your starting place. All right. Ones place. 2 plus 3 equals, we have 1, 2, plus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, that part's done. Moving on to the tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count those dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What can we do? Bundle! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to bundle these up. And we are going to move them over. Because 10 tenths equals 1/100. Now we have how many tens left? 1, 2, 3. We have in the hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because we bundled. 9, 10. What? We can bundle again. So bundle these and give 1,000. Now how many hundreds do we have left? 1, 2. Now we count our hundreds. 0 is 0. 0 is 0. But we had bundled 100. 10 100 tokens equals 1,000 tokens. So, how many dots do we have there? Just one. And we add our 10,000s. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 3, 1, 2, 3, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we get rid of these lines here and add our comma, our answer is 71,235. 71,235. Let's do one with no dots. No dots. Go ahead If you clear too much, that's fine. I'm just going to empty out my place values. And this time I'm going to write them just a little bit smaller. I lied. I guess I'm not writing them too much smaller. All right. Starting in what place? Always, 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 always. Adding, subtracting, multiply. We're starting in the ones place. Correct. We have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can bundle. Go ahead and bundle 10 of them. We're going to move 1 to here. Now, how many do we have left there? How many dots? 0. 2. 1, 2. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots do we have in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 4 plus 7. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many total dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But we could bundle 10 of them. So we just have that 1 dot left. And when we bundled, we moved it over, put it right there. So how many dots do we have left in the hundreds place? Just 1. Now let's look at our thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What can we do? That's right. We can bundle those, put them here. Because 10 hundreds equals 1,000. 10 thousands equals 1 10,000. I'm right either way. So how many thousands do we have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we look at the 10,000s. We have 1, 2. So total dots, 1, 2, 3. Where does your comma go? 1, 2, 3, comma. We have 36,170. This time, we're going to clear our entire board. Place value chart and all. So you should be working with an empty whiteboard. Things are going to get a little bit crazy. We're going to have 207,426 plus, you know what? I could crunch them all together. But I'm thinking it would be better if I space them out just a little bit. Not too much, but just give me a little breathing room, right? I guess this is recorded in 2020 during the pandemic. We're going to social distance those numbers a little bit. Just a little bit. Not 6 feet. This is more like the 3 feet social distance. But what you really need to remember is no matter how you space them out, they need to line up place value wise. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. You don't have to draw these lines, but you should see a clear ones place right here. You should see a clear tens place, a clear hundreds place, a clear thousands place, and a clear 10,000 and clear 100,000. They shouldn't be blurred together. They need to be perfectly stacked on top of each other, or else you are going to have heartache. 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 Anyway, you're going to be really bummed out because your answer is going to be all messed up. You're going to be wrong. And you're going to be like, Mr. Thaler, I got it right, though. Come on. But I'm going to say, no, you got it wrong because your tens are in your ones, and your ones are in your thousands, and you're all mixed up. And that's okay. We'll get it. Draw a line underneath. And tell me what we're doing. We're adding. Starting in the ones place. Always, 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 always. 6 plus 4 equals what? 10. You're right. So when you have 10 of something, you can bundle. So we're going to put our 0 here and our 1 up here. See, 1, 0, 10. Now we're going to move on. 2 plus 4 equals what? 6. You're right. Plus that 1 that we brought over is 7. Good. 4 plus 7 is 11. We're going to have a 1 down here and a 1 up here. See, 1 and 1 is 11. 7 plus 8. Well, I know that 8 plus 8 is 16. Minus that 1 is 15. 8 plus 7, 15. Plus the 1 that we brought over is 16. Put the 6 down here. Carry your 1 up there. 0 plus 2 is 2. Because if you have no oranges and I give you 2 oranges, now you have 2 oranges. Plus the 1 that we brought over is 3. 2 plus 1 is also 3. Where do we put our commas? 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 336,170. Good. Now hop on to your lesson. Not your digital lesson. Complete the template or the worksheet. Hopefully this video is timeless. So even if we're using Seesaw or paper, do the lesson now.